Hi. Sunrise. I just seen the sunrise. I'm gonna show you after, but like it's amazing. I had to stop my training. I hope my coach doesn't see it, but like it's an amazing day. I'm here at the Arch in San Francisco. It's so beautiful. But I promise you, and I'm gonna tell you about recycling. Remember we talked about the 5 R's? That was refusing, reducing, reusing, repurposing, and recycling. Now we're talking about recycling, okay? About recycling. Why recycling is so important? Recycling is important because everything that's produced in our planet uses natural resources, and our natural resources are finishing. Last year we used the whole amount of the year in 1st of August, and it's dated this year to be 1st of July. So what it means? The year, if we use 5 months from last year, so we started already using 5 months. If at the month 7 we are gonna have to start using for the next year, it means that in January we already, like after January, we finish using the resources of the planet for this year. All that stuff, what it means? We have to stop using those resources, and recycling is a good option. That's when we recycle paper, plastic, glass, metal, aluminum, and all materials we're not using, taking it from the earth. You get that? So the whole process is really important. That's why we have to be really careful with how we are recycling it. If we have all the bins that we have to separate and to be in a way that can be recycled. That's why we've messed with the trash and we put in different bins, and we put like recycled stuff in the regular bin that will go for a landfill. It won't go for recycling. That's why we have to have this mentality. And here in San Francisco, we are aiming to go for zero waste. Zero waste means that all the trash will go or to compost or to recycling, and none will go to landfill. That's what it means. So what most things we can put for recycling and do it in the right way is better for everyone. That's why recycling is so important. And in this amazing city, look at that, it's so nice. So we have to do that in all cities. Your city, I know, is amazing also. So let's see. And you want to share a little with the sunrise with me? Okay, don't forget, thank you for being here. And this is an amazing day. I really enjoyed talking to you. And subscribe here if you didn't yet, and tell me what you want to know more about, and I can tell you stuff from here, from San Francisco or other places, or from Rio, or just let's have this chat, me and you. So we do this journey and we aim for zero waste. Okay, let's do that. Thank you for being here.